To prevent your device from slowing down in the future and retain all the original features, you need to disable system updates. To do this, navigate to Settings, then proceed to System Update and disable the option from here. Unfortunately, I don't have it because it's already updated to the latest version. I regret it. We'll go back and go ahead to the biometric and security and find the other security settings. Scroll down and disable the security policy update. After that, we'll have to go to the developer option, enable it from About Phone, and go to Software Information. Tap the build number 7 times and enter your PIN code. When you're done, you'll have to go back again and find the developer option and make sure that the auto update system is disabled. I hope this information proves helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more